Everybody, so we have a quick unboxing, well, unbagging to do from Amazon. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so let's cut this bag open, or see if we can just open it. Oh, it's a bag inside of a bag. And this bag has a shipping label on it too. That's interesting. This is one of those bags that has one of those rip seals that doesn't ever work. Alright. More socket rails. Okay, this one's actually red. Okay, so we got another green guy. This is a 3/8. It's cool that Olsa Tools puts stickers in every single one of them. This is a 3/8. That's what the sticker says if you guys want to pause it for the 3/8. The sticker. This is a 3/8, or this is a 1/2 inch in orange. So that's what the sticker says on that one if you guys want to pause it. I will also leave Amazon links because that's where I got them from, was Amazon, if you guys are interested in checking these out. Another sticker. And this is the orange kit, which is this guy right here. Instead of me reading it out to you, you guys could just pause it if you want. Has all three sizes, 1/4, 1 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Wow, none of these are consistent in color. So that's kind of odd. These two look like a reddish orange. And these two look like a coppery color orange. That's very odd to me, how they're not consistent. Let me bring the camera in and move the light so it's easier to see. Tilt this down a little bit. So kind of put these all together. You can see that they're not the same color, which is kind of aggravating. I mean, I don't understand why they can't be consistent with their coloring. You know, they'll still work as socket rails, but it's no different than this guy right here. It's supposed to be red, and it's actually pink. Three-eighths, 3/8, 1/4, 1/2. I'm not sure if one of these is supposed to be red or what. quarter, 3/8 half. It's very interesting to me. The green is at least consistent. All the greens are about the same color. But looking with my eyes, this one, the 1/2" rail, is more copper orange. The 3/8 rail is more reddish orange. The 1/4" rail is more of a copper, not an orange, but a copper. And then this 3/8 looks more of a red, but it's got an orange tint to it. So I don't know, I'm not really sure, you know, if any of you guys have bought a bunch of these rails, do you guys notice that the colors aren't consistent? Same with like this 3/8 rail right here. You know, did you order a red and you got pink? You know, let me know. Did you get the, you know, the green seems to be the only thing that's consistent on all of these, is the green that I have right here. Because there's 2 3/8, because that's 3/8, 1/2, and 1/4" is what I ordered in the kit. And I was supposed to get a extra 3/8 and an extra 1/4. All of these rails should have an extra 3/8 and an extra 1/4. So I should have 2 3/8 and 2 1/4" in orange, and 1 1/2" in orange. And then I should have 1 1/2" in green, 2 1/4", and 2 3/8" in green. Same with the red. I might have to contact Olsa Tools and find out. Let me plug this light in because the light just died on me. But you know, the rails are nice. I did find on Amazon, I did find the cost just to get more of these clips, which aren't too bad, from Olsa Tools. You can also get these rails in 3/4" also, if that's something that might be helpful to you guys. You can get them in 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, and 3/4" for the rails. And then on Amazon, I actually added one to the cart, and then I moved them. So these clips, 24 pack for 3/8 is $13.47. They have a $2 extra savings coupon. You can get them in a 10 pack as well, in 3/8 for $7.49. They also have them in green, but the green only come in 10 packs. The green only come in a 10 pack. So to me that's kind of stupid. 3/4" right there. That's what they look like. 3/4". They're $18.87 for the 3/4 for a 24 pack. But the 24 pack for the 1/4", 3/8, and 1/2" are all $12.87. So it's not bad in my opinion. You know, 1/2". Oh, 1/2" is $13.87 instead of $12.87 for the 24 pack. So $13.87 for a 24 pack of the 1/2" drive clips. 1/4" drive in a 24 pack is $12.87. A 3/4" drive 24 pack is $18.87. And a 3/8 drive 24 pack is $13.47. So they're not really that bad if you need to buy extras. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. We got another boxed on another Guess What's in the Box video coming up, as well as we're gonna unbox that box, see what's in that box. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and hanging out with me today. I will do a finalized video with everything. If that's all that's left, then we'll just do a video and talk about them. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I do like that you can mount these. They have holes on the side right here where my finger is, on the left corner right there. So you can mount these to wood and put them in your toolbox. if you want. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace!